Hey everyone, it's Michael from Bullion Now. You need to keep this one very quiet because I actually think Little Coin Shop is treading on BN's toes here, and this is one that actually should have come through us. But I'm going to have a look and see. So I think one of these coins is actually a nice kilo bullion coin, and I'm almost offended that they've taken it from us.
This would be the first time that Little Coin Shop has treaded on our toes.
Oh yeah, it probably is. So there's two coins in here. Just out of curiosity, if anyone ever wants to see, this is how Little Coin Shop package their stuff, and I actually really love it because A, it's environmentally friendly. It's no plastics, and they use this, I don't know what you call this, perforated paper.
Yeah.
That spreads out like that, and it works as the same as bubble wrap, and it's fantastic for these sorts of things. Unfortunately, as much as I want it to, I can't make it to work, get it to work for bullion because it moves around and just mashes the living daylights out of it.
Kind of looks like it's some sort of fruit, or like a mango or a pineapple, and they put that styrofoam mesh around it.
I can see what you're saying. But yeah, these I love their packaging. I think they do a great job over there.
Yeah, absolutely.
So, and they protect it from any roughness with this tissue paper type stuff. Oh, okay. I'll forgive them. It's in a box. It's a limited edition, so it's probably a proof coin.
Wow. Okay, Steamboat Willie.
Steamboat
Tell
Willie.
us about Steamboat Willie.
Steamboat Willie was the first real Mickey Mouse film out there, and lots of people will have seen it. And if you haven't, get yourself onto YouTube because it was on there very recently. I was showing my kids the old Steamboat Willie video film, and the first time I saw that was in Disneyland.
Oh, really?
Yeah, about 100 years ago.
100 years?
Well, it feels like it, I can tell you. I love that. This is actually a New Zealand mint production, and they've done a brilliant job. So this is, I can't remember which year, and I'm embarrassing myself by saying that, but it's actually a celebration of anniversary of the Mickey Mouse and the Steamboat Willie, produced by New Zealand Mint, and they've done an exceptional job both with the presentation and with the coin itself.
Wow, I was not expecting a huge coin. Okay.
So it's a kilo silver coin.
Oh my gosh.
It's actually a year or two old. We've managed to, or they managed, I didn't do this, to secure new old stock. Old new stock? How do you say that?
Yeah, I don't know. It sounds like an oxymoron either way.
Yeah. So, I'm trying to get the C of A off the back. It's electrostatic. So there you go. You can see these are, see they're numbered and limited and that. All right, LCS, I forgive you. So yeah, you can see it's got a bit of a burst on Mickey Mouse and the Steamboat Willie tradition starting. And then on the back it's got all sorts of fascinating data about the coin itself. You can see there. But this is the most important bit at the end of the day, the Steamboat Willie.
Wow.
So you can see there, 1928. So I'm suspecting, and I could be barking up the wrong tree, that it's a 90-year anniversary, and this is a 2018 that they've managed to score.
They've done a really good job of transferring like the cartoon design onto an actual coin. Yeah,
they have, without either losing the detail or not getting enough detail on.
Yeah.
Or losing it in the detail is probably what I meant to say there. And there, don't worry about that. That's just like warmth from my hand causing that. What looks like a smudge on there, it's just condensation. So you can see there it's 100 newie. Oh yeah, it's 2015.
Ooh.
So they really have got some old new stock or new old stock, whatever you call it.
$100 face value.
Yeah, but it's Niue dollars, not Australian dollars.
What's Niue dollars?
Well, Niue's a small country out in the Pacific there.
I've never heard of it.
Oh, there you go. So quite a lot of these, here we go, we're really sidestepping here. Quite a lot of these countries, these smaller countries, one of their main revenue sources as a country is to actually allow certain mints to create currency for their country, particularly specialty currency like this, like special designs and things, and they get a royalty out of it.
Yeah, okay.
And it's probably, I'd have to look it up, but it's probably their largest export, but if it's not, it's one of their largest exports out of the country. So Perth Mint use Tuvalu. You'll see the Tuvalu coins out of there. So it's the way to get a currency coin, get an official currency coin, particularly with the Queen on the back. That's quite popular. And so for the manufacturer, but for the country, it's a way that they can generate funds to support their country. So a lot of smaller countries do it. The Anubis coin that we released recently, that was out of Chad, so that will be a similar thing there. It's not like it's produced by the Mint of Chad. It will be produced by the... I think that one's produced by one of the American mints, and they will be paying a royalty back. So in this case, New Zealand Mint will be paying a royalty back to Niue for it.
Well, there you go. You learn something new every day.
You do. Now, the other thing they got in that I snuck out from under their noses, and again, this is new old stock, old new stock. Love these.
Wait, what is that? That's a lunar something, isn't it?
It is. Actually, I tell a lie, this is this year's.
Oh!
So this is the New Zealand design of the New Zealand Mint design of the Year of the Tiger. Unlike the... Oh, it's just caught in there a little bit. So they're just held together by magnets. So some people liked the Tiger, some people didn't. This is the New Zealand Mint version, and I think this is fantastic. So they've just coloured the Tiger.
Yeah, and they put like a reflective colour on the... Is that flowers in the background?
Well, the scenery anyway.
The scenery, yeah.
Yeah. So it's that almost patrolling or pounce. It's not a pouncing tiger, but it's
Stalking.
a tiger on... Yeah, stalking. That's actually an excellent word for it. Tiger, and it's produced... And I love... I wish Perth Mint... They did some like this. I wish they'd go back to them. This presentation case, I think these are beautiful. And then you've got access. The coin is actually encapsulated in there, so you can stick your finger in and not actually touch the face of the coin. But it's kind of got this gap on there, on the back, so you can push things out if you need to.
Yeah. Okay. All right. That makes sense.
Yeah.
Oh,
and you can open it up like I just did then. It's a bit hard with the glove on, but you can open up. It's just held together by magnets, and then you've got the coin in a capsule behind there.
Yeah. Right. All right. That was a really good demonstration there. No, that was, yeah.
Yeah, so anyway, Little Coin Shop will have those in stock as well. So again, grab them while you can. These are very limited. They only made 2,000 of these ones, and they are beautiful. And then obviously your Steamboat Willie. I'll be surprised if they've got more than about a dozen of those. They are a limited edition product. They are a collector's item. If it in any way floats your boat, and Mickey Mouse floats everyone's boat, if it floats your boat, grab them while you can. They will go relatively quickly.
Beautiful. Thank you for sharing those ones with us, Michael.
No worries at all.
And we'll see you in the next one.
Sounds good. See ya.